Okay, good evening everyone. Now in previous video I was explaining you the prefix, saturated prefix and unsaturated prefix, how we write the name of saturated and unsaturated prefix. In this video I am going to give you the chart of suffix second. Suffix second, what is suffix second, that already I explained you. One more times I am going to explain you. Suffix second can represent the functional group of organic compound. बट दिस इज़ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ IUPAC नॉमेनक्लेचर. जनरली बच्चे जो है बहुत सारी चीज़ें पढ़ते हैं, बस इसको भूल जाते हैं. तो बेटा अगर ये भूल गया तो IUPAC नॉमेनक्लेचर तो आप भूल जाओ. एंड सीनियरिटी टेबल, अकॉर्डिंग टू सीनियरिटी टेबल हमको फंक्शनल ग्रुप की सीरीज याद रखनी पड़ेगी. इट इज़ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो आई रिक्वेस्ट टू ऑल ऑफ यू, अगर आप मेरा वीडियो देख रहे हैं सीरीज से तो इसको जरूर याद रखिएगा. क्लियर? तो आई एम गोइंग टू गिव यू द चार्ट. हाउ दिस इज द, please make the chart. Chart means already explained, this is the, it can represent the functional group. Functional group. अब ऑलरेडी आई टोल्ड यू कि फंक्शनल ग्रुप जैसे आपका नाम वैसे ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड के नेम. फंक्शनल ग्रुप के भी दो नाम, एज ए प्रीफिक्स, एज ए सफिक्स सेकेंड. कब किसको प्रीफिक्स के रूप में यूज करता है ऑलरेडी एक्सप्लेन कर दिया हूं मैं. प्रीफिक्स के रूप में अगर एक से ज़्यादा फंक्शनल ग्रुप होंगे तो हमेशा प्रीफिक्स वाला नाम जो सबसे सीनियर ग्रुप होगा वो उसका नाम एज ए सफिक्स सेकेंड लिखा जाएगा, और अदर जो फंक्शनल ग्रुप होंगे उसका नाम एज ए प्रीफिक्स लिखा जाएगा. तो फंक्शनल ग्रुप, दिस इज द फंक्शनल ग्रुप, दिस इज द सफिक्स सेकेंड. हाउ विल राइट द नेम एज ए सफिक्स सेकेंड, एंड दिस वन इज द प्रीफिक्स. प्रीफिक्स. So there is the functional group, suffix second and prefix. So one by one I am going to write here. The most senior functional group, one number COOH. इससे भी सीनियर होते हैं जैसे अमोनियम, ऑक्सोनियम, बट देयर नो नीड. टोटल 18 फंक्शनल ग्रुप इज देयर. अगर आप 19 फंक्शनल ग्रुप, 18 फंक्शनल ग्रुप अगर आप याद रखते हो तो उससे ज़्यादा आपको कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है अप टू द कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम और एनी एग्जाम. तो फर्स्ट फंक्शनल ग्रुप इज COOH, कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड ग्रुप. एज ए सफिक्स सेकेंड देयर नेम इज ओइक एसिड, दैट इज ओइक एसिड, OIC, ओइक एसिड. एज ए प्रीफिक्स देयर नेम इज कार्बोक्सी. एज ए प्रीफिक्स देयर नेम इज कार्बोक्सी. देन सेकेंड सीनियर फंक्शनल ग्रुप इज SO3H. SO3H मीन्स दैट इज S double bond O, O and H, SO3H. This is known as sulfonic acid. That is their suffix second name is sulfonic acid. And as a prefix their name is sulfono. As a prefix name is sulfono. Same as third functional group. Third functional group is COOR, like C double bond O and R. This is known as ester. Ester. You see alkyl group is attached. So alkyl alkanoate. Their name is written alkyl alkanoate. Means O8. As a suffix second, their name is written as a OAT. O8. Clear? And as a prefix written alkoxy carbonyl. Carbonyl. You see that alkoxy, this is OR group, alkoxy, because this R is represented by the alkyl. This is the alkyl. R is represented alkyl. And what is the alkyl already explained in the previous video. Clear? So this is C double bond OR. Their as a suffix second name is O8 and as a prefix name is alkoxy carbonyl. Clear? Then this fourth number is C double bond O NH2. C double bond O NH2. This is known as amide group. C double bond O NH2. Written as a suffix second amide. And as a prefix, their name is written as a prefix carbamoyl. Carbamoyl, CARBAMOYL, carbamoyl as a prefix, and as a suffix second their name is written as a amide. Then sixth number is, that is C triple bond N, that is known as cyanide group. but written as a nitrile. Nitrile. It is written as a suffix second nitrile, and as a prefix it is written as a cyano. Cyano, as a prefix their name is cyano, and as a suffix second nitrile. Then that is N double bond C, NC, that is known as isonitrile. Isonitrile, and as a prefix isocyano. Clear? Then 7 number is CHO. CHO, that is aldehyde group. As a suffix second al, Al, CHO, aldehyde group. As a suffix second that is written as a al, Al, and as a prefix written as a aldo, or formyl. Aldo or formyl. Clear? So this is up to the 7 functional group, that is CHO, as a suffix second al, as a prefix aldo or formyl. Now here one more functional group is left, like C double SO3S, C double OR. Then one more things is there, like CONH2, COX is also present here. COX is CONH2. Then suppose here written COX, C double bond O X, that is COX. X is the Cl, Br, and that is as a suffix second their name is oil halide. Oil halide. Like if Cl is attached here, then oil chloride, Br is attached, oil bromide, and I is attached, oil iodide. And as a prefix they are written is the haloformyl. Haloformyl. Clear? तो दिस इज द फंक्शनल ग्रुप. फंक्शनल ग्रुप यू बेटा प्लीज लर्न दिस ग्रुप. अगर आप ये ग्रुप याद कर लिए तो आपसे आईपीएससी के कोई क्वेश्चन गलत नहीं होंगे. आप इजीली आईपीएससी के क्वेश्चंस सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. नाउ आफ्टर CHO that is written as a next functional group is the OH, that is as a suffix second written all, or that is the hydroxy. Next one is the SH, that is written as the thiol, or Mercepto. Then next one is the NH2. NH2 is the amine group, written as the amine as a suffix second, and as a prefix written as the amino. Here next functional group is, now after amine many functional group is like there is only one name and that is always written as the prefix. आपको पहले बताया हूँ कि बहुत सारे फंक्शनल ग्रुप होंगे जिनके 2 नेम होंगे, 3 हो सकते हैं, लेकिन बहुत सारे ऐसे ही फंक्शनल ग्रुप होंगे जिनका एक ही नाम होगा और वो हमेशा एज ए प्रीफिक्स के रूप में लिखे जाते होंगे. क्लियर? तो दैट आफ्टर दैट इन सीनियरिटी टेबल यू विल प्रीफर डबल बॉन्ड. डबल बॉन्ड इज ऑलवेज रिटन एज ए सफिक्स फर्स्ट, that is in. Already you know that. You will prefer the double bond, and then prefer triple bond. Triple bond is ein, but these two are written as a suffix first. Only written as a suffix first. Then next is the R1OR2 ether. This R is alkyl. R means alkyl group. That already I explained you what is the alkyl. R1OR2. That is always written as a prefix, and their name is written as the oxy or epoxy. Where you will write the oxy and where you will write the epoxy, that I will explain you when I will explain you the separately functional group, separate functional group. जब हम एक एक फंक्शनल ग्रुप आपको बताएंगे तब उस समय बताएंगे कि कहाँ पे ऑक्सी लिखेंगे और कहाँ पे इपॉक्सी. देन आफ्टर दैट इज ROR, then C6H5, that is written as the phenyl as a prefix, always written as a prefix. Next one is the NO2, that is nitro, NO, that is nitroso, always written as a prefix, nitroso. Then you can write the X. X means Cl, Br and I, always written as a prefix, that is Cl means first X you will write halo. Halo, it means if Cl is present, then it is written as the chloro, and Br is present, then written as the bromo, and if I is present, then written as the iodo. So these functional group, one more functional group like acetic anhydride is also given. So acetic anhydride never mixed with the other functional group, that is why I not told you. Seniority table, their seniority is the COOH, then you can write the SO3H, and then CR C double bond O C double bond O R, like acetic anhydride group, that is written like that, R C double bond O C double bond O R. Clear? When COOH group is mixed, then one molecule of H2O is removed and it can form R C double bond O C double bond O. That is written as the oic anhydride. There as a suffix second name is the oic anhydride. Oic anhydride. But always you will get the separately. आपको मिक्स करके एसिटिक एनहाइड्राइड ग्रुप के क्वेश्चन नहीं मिलते हैं. Clear? If you will get, then seniority table third number position, RCOOH, SO3H, then RC double bond O C double bond O. But we will follow the seniority table that is given in NCERT. Clear? Whatever the seniority table given in NCERT, that also we will follow that seniority table. Okay? So this is the suffix second. This chart is very important. अगर आपको इस चार्ट में कहीं seniority table में वो दिख रहा हो तो आप उसको NCERT के साथ कंपेयर कर सकते हैं. But you will like OH, very common, ether, then OH, SH, then you will get the CHO. So seniority table is very important. Please, this is only your homework. Up to the seniority table, when you will learn this chart, then easily you can write the name of any organic compound. किसी भी organic compound का नाम लिखने के लिए आपको ये चार्ट याद रहना चाहिए, तभी आप लिख पाओगे. अदरवाइज इट इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल टू राइट द नेम ऑफ ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड. सो आई रिक्वेस्ट टू ऑल ऑफ यू, अगर आप मुझे फॉलो कर रहे हैं तो फर्स्ट वीडियो, सेकंड वीडियो, थर्ड वीडियो एंड देन फोर्थ वीडियो. इन फोर्थ वीडियो आई एक्सप्लेन यू द दिस चार्ट. यहाँ तक आपको पढ़ के रखना है. देन आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो. आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू द सर्टेन स्पेसिफिक ग्रुप लाइक ईथर, एमीन. Separately I will explain you the certain specific, how will write the name of certain. Then I will explain the IUPAC nomenclature of cyclic compound, bicyclic compound. Bicyclic compound is also two types, that is spiro and bicyclo. Next, line bond representation, how will write the line bond representation. Then how will write the IUPAC nomenclature of aromatic compound. Then all I will explain in the next video. Thank you so much.